bright. The sun is really bright, actually. Yeah. Alright, now we should see a huge box on our porch. Oh yeah, there it is. I see it. God dang, that thing is huge. Holy cow. Oh God, that thing is big.
Say God, Gunner.
Sorry.
You say gosh.
Still, that thing is big. Like, I mean really big.
Put your backpack in your coat where it belongs first. You gotta go through the other door.
Oh my God. Look at how big this thing is. Oh my goodness. I know, I'm just looking at it. Oh my God. Look at that. That thing is huge. Okay, let's go. Man, I'm getting this crap inside, bro. That is big. Kina, you're gonna have to stay back, okay? Alright? There goes. Holy crap. Kina.
Oh, it's on there.
Oh, it's wet
Box.
too.
Can I tip it?
Yeah.
It's not gonna hurt to tip it.
I don't think so.
Okay, can you push it a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
This is why you go to the gym.
Oh my God. Oh!
Not my nail.
Did your nail bend back?
It broke, but it's not a big deal. Can you shut off that door?
Oh my God, look at this. It's like my dog can fit in that. Watch out, Kiki. Hey, watch out. Move it. Holy cow. Yo. Oh my God. This thing is big. Oh my gosh. There's the airport. How in the heck am I going to get this out? Alright, Mom. See ya.
Where's your backpack?
Wow.
Grab your backpack.
Mom, I know I got it.
Your coat.
I know.
Hey, lock the door real quick, okay?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Come on, lock the door.
Yeah, I know.
Both locks, please.
Oh, oh no. No, bro. Oh my God. Holy crap. This is like a freaking sundown, dude. Holy shit. Whoa. Oh my God. Look at my hand. Holy crap. Kina, come here. Come here. Come here, Kina. Come here, Kina. Hey, Kina. Come here. Oh my God. Look at my dog compared to this thing. That is a subwoofer. Holy crap. Yo, Kina. Look at this thing. This thing is crazy, isn't it, Kina? Isn't it, Kina? Oh my God. Look at that surround, man. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of this the Skar Audio EVL 18. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like. The next video will be me demoing this thing, so if you want to go check that out, that will be the next video I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!